Today I'm going to be explaining the basic copy functions of the IMC 2010, starting with the single and multiple copy feature. So you can select here the number of copies that you want for the document that you're going to be printing. So if you want one or up to 999 copies can be printed at a single time. This use case is mostly for schools, like for example, they want to print a master copy of the test paper or something like that. They can print multiple copies at one shot. So here I'm going to be printing 2 copies of the document that I want. I can choose whether I want it in color or automatically select color, or I want it in black and white. So as you can see here, I've got 2 copies each, the document that I printed. Now I'm going to show how to print a copy in color or in black and white. So usually this is for those people who not necessarily need a color document, or they don't want to waste the ink, so they can print in black and white, or if they want in color, they can print the copy in color as well. So if you want it in color, you have to press here full color, and then you can print the copy. So you can see here I have got a color copy of the document. I'm going to be showing how to print it in black and white. So you select here black and white, then you press copy. Now you can see here we got the black and white copy. Now as you can see here, there's also an option here called auto color select. Now this is if you want the document to be automatically detected for whether it is color or black and white. So what will happen mostly here is, this is a color document and the copy you will get will be color if I press here auto color select. As you can see here, the document was printed automatically in color. Now I'm going to be showing auto size detection. This is for those who want to print a smaller size document or any document that matter, to get it in their original size. Now if you have a smaller size paper in your printer, you can print it in the same size as the check, but I'm going to be printing taking the copy on A4. This is the option that automatically detects the size of the original that you're going to be copying. As you can see, it has taken the copy of the check on an A4 paper. Now I'm going to be showing paper size auto selection. This is for those who want to take a copy of the document in the original size of the document. So over here, I select auto paper select. Here I'm automatically detecting the size of the original. As you can see, the document has been copied in the original size A3. Now I'm going to be showing a mixed size original copy. This is for those who want to take a copy of documents of different sizes in one batch. So first, I select the paper I want to print to. I want A4. Second, here you have to select mixed sizes. You can see here how to place the batch of documents. And this is the most important of all, you have to select the paper size to be fit to the paper you want to print to. As you can see here, the bill has been fit to A4. The A4 document has been fitted to this A4, and the A3 document has also been fit to this A4. Now I'm going to be showing how to copy from a Platen, ARDF and SPDF, starting with how to copy from an ARDF of the IMC 2010. Now this is a two-sided document. So the advantage of the ARDF is it can scan both sides of the document. So as you can see here, it scans the first side and then pulls it back in and then scans the other side, and then you get the copy, the duplex copy from here. Now we have the duplex copy of the document. Now I'm going to be showing how to copy using the Platen class. This is for those who want to scan thick documents, or for example this book, or you want to scan only or copy one side of the document. As you can see, I've got the copy of the book cover.